Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another hair review. The name of the vendor that I'm working with today is DSoar Hair. I have one the Brazilian curly in 16, 18, 220 inch and a 18-inch closure. So I have 4 bundles. It came in this beautiful box, and at the back you can see it has the hair wash instruction as well as the hair care, and also it came with this beautiful lashes. So this is what the bundle looks like. It is double wefted, no shedding and no tangling at all with this hair. I didn't experience any shedding with this hair when I ran my fingers through it, and I actually didn't co-wash it, so the hair didn't shed. I didn't get much shedding at all. So this is the weft. This is what the weft looks like. As you can see, it's neatly done, and this is the closure. It's a hand-tied lace, and it's very pretty. The curls are very tight. It's tight from the beginning to the end. As you can see, most of the time the curly hair, you see it's about an inch or 2 straight from the roots, and then it gets curly. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, this is curly straight from the knots, from the lace or whatever. Okay. So yeah, I just went in to bleach the closure, and also I went in to install the wig. I wanted to do something different this time, and then after installing the wig, I decided to add a few strands of faux locks. I used acrylic yarn to achieve this. So I just went into add my faux locks, just few strands. I think I had 6 or 7 strands in total. You could just go in to add the strands wherever you like. There's really in no particular order. You just put it wherever you feel you want it to pronounce. So this is it. It's not really a big deal. I just box braid the roots first, and then I just went into wrap. You don't have to use yarn, you can use marley hair, but I decided to use what I had handy. This was what I had at the time, and it went pretty well. So yeah. So as you can see, this is the finished look. It's very pretty. I just have the strands here and there just to give it this really nice look. So this is it. So I'm just going in to style the wig. The rest of the video is me styling it and showing you what it looks like. So again, the name of this vendor is DSoar Hair. This is actually my 3rd time working with this vendor, and they have amazing quality hair. Their bundles and the frontals and closure is very rich in quality. It has great luster. It sheds less and it doesn't tangle at all. So yeah, they have really good quality hair, and the hair is really soft. So every time I've worked with this vendor, I have never been disappointed. So I do recommend this vendor, and like I said, the hair is very rich in quality. So you have nothing to worry about when you order hair from this vendor. So yeah, like I said, I have on there 4 bundles of the Brazilian curly, 220-inch, 116, 118 and an 18-inch closure. So everything about this hair is going to be down on the info section, so please, as usual, be sure to click on it to get all of the details on this hair. Thank you all so much for watching. Until my next video, enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.